In today's video, we're going to install this beautiful USA-made OD green canvas top on my Ford GPW. Time to get out the good old Kaiser Willys catalog. They have a great selection of made in the USA canvas tops, seats, and accessories, as well as bows and hardware. My GPW has a reproduction tub that has not been drilled for top bow brackets. The measurements I'll be taking today will start off the cowl side of the dashboard. You will need to mark the following 4 measurements in vertical lines from the dashboard back towards the rear of the Jeep. Don't worry, I'll have a picture here in a moment that'll show it better in case you didn't catch that. Next, I use a square to draw a pencil line vertically using the top edge of the tub as a reference point. The following 2 measurements will be taken from the top edge of the tub downward, and they are for the front bracket for the top bows. Next, we move to the rear bracket, and we use these 3 measurements to mark for our rear bracket. I know that was a lot to take in, so here's a good spot to pause and write these down. So the 32-inch measurement is from the dashboard back, and the other 2 are from the top edge of the tub down. It's the same procedure for the rear bracket. The large number is from the dashboard back, and the smaller number is from the top of the tub down. I use pencil for everything, so it's easily erased if you have to move one of your marks. This is definitely one of those measure twice, cut once instances. I mark the holes with a center punch, and we start to drill. The front bracket does have a left and a right. Make sure the pin is forward. You'll see why when we go to put the bows in the storage position. The top 2 bolts of the rear bracket are a countersunk slotted screw, and the bottom is just a regular 5/16 bolt. Next up is the swivel bracket. It has a lot of paint on it, so you might have to kind of wiggle it in there, but it'll self-clearance in no time. Then you'll use the included flat washer and lock washer to attach it to the bracket. It's designed so that even when the bolt is fully tightened, the bracket will still swivel. Install the thumb screw, and this part of the job is done. If you did everything right, your bows should easily slide in through the swivel brackets, and then you can push them all the way forward into the front storage pins. It should be a nice snug fit, but not fight you too much. If you have a windshield frame that's already had a summer top on it, it's likely already drilled in the correct position. You will need 10 of these little thread-in stud posts. If your windshield hasn't been drilled, it's not a big deal. Just throw your top over the windshield, and the grommets in the canvas will show you where to drill for the studs. Now we're getting to the fun part. You're going to pull your bows out, pivot them upward, and lock them down into the rear bracket. Tighten the thumb screw to hold everything in place. Summon your assistant and begin to pull the top up over from the rear. We had to relocate. If you noticed, I started putting the top on in the garage, and we couldn't get it on. It was too tight. So if you know canvas, you know it's kind of like a living, breathing thing. It changes, it kind of self-heals, it shrinks, it expands. So it's a little cloudy now, but it's been sitting in the sun. We kind of stretched it a little bit, so it has to get conformed to the bows and to the windshield frame. So tight is good because it will loosen up over time. So I always say put your top on a sunny day, and that will really help you with installation. So we're going to try it again now. I'm showing you this. It's not really a fail. It's part of canvas work. It's going to be tight, but I wanted to show you because you're probably going to have the same problem as well. So now we're going to try it again. It's been sitting in the sun. Hopefully we got it stretched out a little bit and it fits a little better. Installing this top is very straightforward. You just pull it over the front studs, attach the center bar with the little clasps in the top, and then thread the straps in the rear through the footman loops and pull them tight. All right, the top is on, and as you can see, it fits really nice and snug. We got the top pulled up over here. I left this bar in the down position, and it only came up to about here. So I parked it in the sun for about 15 minutes and just kind of came out and tugged on it. I left the back part loose and just slowly pulled forward on it. I still couldn't get it. So I actually loosened up these bolts, which gave the bracket just a little wiggle. And so a tiny bit down at the bottom, you know, was just enough to get this hooked. And then once I got the corners hooked, I just went down through and popped the other grommets over the little pins
and then you can attach the back. So it should be a really nice tight fit when it's new. Like, this is pretty taut, and as it sits in the sun and you drive it and the wind shakes it, it will start to fit. It'll be like a nice pair of shoes that'll kind of break in and fit your bows and fit your Jeep, because every windshield frame is a little different, and depending on, you know, how exact you are with your measurements and your holes for your brackets, it could change how the top fits. So use the sun and the wind to help you fit that. Just wanted to give you that tip, because you might have a problem, or it might be too loose. If it's too loose, it's actually a little harder to work with. You might have to move your bracket back, or add some spacers to your bows or something. But other than that, it fits great, and I think it's going to be a really nice form-fitting top. That's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. I'll put a link to each part I used in this video. These are all from Kaiser Willys. This top is made in the USA. It's really high quality, good stinky canvas. So if you're an Army guy, you know that canvas smell, and this is good stuff. It also matches the seats, if you guys remember a video I did on them a while back. So Kaiser Willys has all the canvas, top, brackets, hardware, everything you need to put a nice top on your Jeep. So let me know if you have any questions or need any help with your install. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.